Hello everybody, this is Neil from Caribbean Tools and Equipment Limited. Today we're gonna do a demonstration on a DAF XF105 using a Jaltest kit. So let's go. So the first thing you want to do, you want to select trucks. Alright, you want to search for DAF and you want to select XF. Alright, select XF105. We're gonna scan the engine system on this XF. So we're gonna select engine and select connect. Alright, once you enter the engine system, you should see a screen like this. We have diagnosis. I want to select diagnosis. If there are any fault codes in the system, they will show up. You will see it in this red X here. That's a present error. Alright, now this I here shows the time the fault code occurred. Alright, and the date. The question mark is a help function. It will tell you more about the fault code. Alright, for this situation here, there's a fan clutch interruption in pin 16. Alright, so this is looking like it could be a wiring issue. So the Jaltest tool has a built-in repair manual in it, and it will tell you components related to this error, fan clutch with electronic control. Alright, if you select here, it will give you some information about the fan clutch and so on, and how to test the windings of the fan clutch. So you see here, if you look here, you could take a multimeter between pin 3 and pin 4 and check the resistance to see, and if it doesn't match between 28 and 32 ohms, you know that that winding could be gone. Of course, it will show you the location of the fan clutch as well. Now if it's a wiring issue, we have the wiring diagrams. So what could happen is that it will show you the wiring diagram here. So this is the fan clutch, and it will show you the wires that go in from the ECU to the fan clutch, and you could take a multimeter and test for continuity between the wires to check to see if any wire is burst. Alright, so this is just one case. Alright, of course you have your measurements, you have your digital measurements that you could compare with good known values to see if they're within specifications. Alright, if you go back now, we have system display, and this here will give you a clear understanding of how fuel is transmitted from the fuel tank to the filter to the high pressure pump and to the rail. So if anything is malfunctioning here in the fuel side of things, you would be able to tell by this diagram. Okay, so if we go back now, actuate components, engine brake, exhaust brake, and so on. We have system checks, compression tests, cylinder cutout tests, and so on. You could turn on and turn off fans and so on. Parameters, you could code injectors and so on. So if you replace any injector and you need to replace it with a new one, you have to code the new injector to get it to work. And of course you could adjust the speed limit on the truck as well, and you could do some calibration and so on with the oil level. So this here was a brief demonstration of a Jaltest kit on a DAF XF105. So until our next video, I'll see you again.